Will AI take over? Imagine in 100 years all professional, non-professional occupations will be taken over by AI robots. For those of you that are not very familiar, it stands for artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? AI is the simulation of human intelligence algorithms with the use of machines and computer systems. The machine uses learning, reasoning and self-correction to optimize each systems and process from each iteration it performs. Also, a system can be trained using a specific data to perform many different actions. Just to put some numbers into perspective, worldwide spending on artificial intelligence systems is forecast to reach $35.8 billion in 2019. This is an increase of 44% from the amount spent in 2018. Overall, AI is classified as weak or strong. Some examples of different applications AI can be used are image recognition, speech recognition and natural language generation. An example of weak eye would be Siri or facial recognition. On the other hand, an example of strong eye is mimicking a brain and playing chess. There are also three different types of AI modeling there. Firstly, deep learning is a machine learning technique to allow machines to react the same way a human would. It plays a very big role in autonomous cars, being able to distinguish when a pedestrian is crossing or if there is a stop sign. Secondly, machine learning is when a data set and algorithms are used to train a machine to be able to predict the outcome. Lastly, neural networks is labeling and classifying the data that is being tested. During a hackathon I attended, my team and I were able to use a trained model to identify the probability of a component failing as well as how many hours it will take for that component to fail. We conducted it using machine learning. So does all of this sound scary yet? Or the deep learning and machine learning can then cause these machines to create and write their own languages that humans will not comprehend, which could be catastrophic since humans would not be able to control. An example occurred in 2017 where two chatbots on Facebook developed their own language that humans could not comprehend. For example, this was the conversation between the two machines on the bottom left corner. Yes, this was only in regards to chatbots on Facebook, but down the road when AI is used in surgical operations and two machines communicate with their own independent language that is not understood by humans, it could be very catastrophic, especially during critical procedures. How ethical is AI? From an ethical perspective, it is not very ethical, as the machines could be saving and selling information to other clients without your permission, which is what had occurred in the 2016 US presidential election when Cambridge Analytica used very detailed information of American citizen Facebook users to be able to understand the personality of each individual while tailoring the campaign to each individual depending on quizzes they had taken and information present on Facebook. So what can we do to? We must always be extremely cautious when working with AI and must be able to control it at all times, as well as train the machine with a specific data set with supervision. Overall, AI is a fantastic addition to technology, but it must be carried out with caution.